All right, we're back at the cabin. Jordan is gonna start working on the roof, and I'm gonna go get coffee. I'm back and I don't see Jordan, but I see a roofing panel. So I hope he's okay. Hope everything's okay. Oh, there he is. He started a fire. Well,
trying to get as much smoke as I can.
Smoke out the mosquitoes. Nice. Sorry it took a while. I stopped at a garage sale.
I had a feeling.
But I got us a cot for $10.
Cool. So I got the roofing panel off, but I need help taking it down because it's so long.
Oh,
okay. I'll need help getting the new one up there, and then I'm good.
Okay, let me get out and bug spray.
And you need to get some work clothes on.
Oh, okay.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
What the heck?
You ready? Oh my gosh, it just splattered.
Look at my body.
Oh, okay. Picture. It's just.
Nothing. We're good to work. Yeah.
Let's do it. I'm just gonna try to feed it down to you sideways. Pull it out, okay, now we're gonna flip it. Flip that stuff. Okay. Walk it out. Let's see. Okay.
Or you could just cut it on up there right where the hole's at.
We'll use the crackers for this anyway. We can't afford to bend the other panel.
Oh.
Flip it. I'm gonna pull it this way, walk towards the shop. This one already bends, you see? That's why it's,
From you moving it?
yeah. But I was hoping if I need to cut it up and use it for that roof or something, I can bend this part out.
Yeah, I know you're not
It's
going
not
to
that
do
big.
that.
No.
Ah!
Oh. Sorry.
Back. Yeah, right. What?
Let's set it next to this one, make sure the length is okay. Careful, don't do that. Will you tell me when this is straight for even that time?
Pull it. There. It's a little short.
It's fine. That'd be perfect.
Oh my gosh, honey, you're keeping me alive. It's not very miserable. Oh, I'm just killing them on me with the spoon. Cutting this off.
Trying to.
It's taking a minute, but he's getting it. It's like those commercials.
Okay, finally.
Nice, babe. Very nice. Wow. That is not a clean like that.
That's fine. fine. And it's covered up by a top cap. So.
But I don't think my kids are kids. Wait, put it back.
Come towards the middle and just feed it.
I'm not. Perfect, babe.
Done.
Good job, honey.
What about that?
You should.
We did it. I
We
could
did
have
it.
roofed this whole thing.
I know.
Said we paid for it.
Idiots! Sounds like this most simple roof,
Oh, I know.
too.
It is pretty simple. And this was already bowed like this before.
Yeah.
So that's what got me screwed up, is because the way the guy roofed it before wasn't perfect.
Mm-hmm.
But you'll never see this bow and
Yeah.
won't expect anything. But that's why I had such a hard time getting it in.
Mm-hmm.
Just because it wasn't straight. But it looks clean.
Yeah. It'll
Nice
look
and-
nice.
Oh, this is part of it?
Oh no, that is a plant stand I'm gonna
Here.
paint. The plant on. 15 for both,
Like a really good deal.
apparently. So you pop that, so you lay it on.
I just didn't want to drag it on the ground.
For sure. I'm gonna have to wash this, shampoo it.
That's cool. It collapses.
Mm-hmm. Bunkhouse, baby. Extra bed. We'll store it under one of the bunk
Sleeping
beds.
on that would be uncomfortable for a kid.
What a kid do that. You guys couldn't tell because of the time lapse, but I almost legit fainted like 3 different times. I don't think I've eaten enough and drank enough water today. I feel like I'm on like Survivor or something. Right, Jordan has to weed whack to find the conduit for our electrician to come back out in a couple weeks.
Well, because our plumber is finishing our treatment. Then we're gonna have water flowing, and so we'll need to have this hooked up so we can actually use our septic system. Pardon me.
Find it?
I might have put it in here. I need my wrench set, but we might have put it in where it needs to go.
Yeah.
At least now you can work down here. I think the conduit actually went into that one because that's the power. I think that's the power area.
Mhm.
I'm not too sure.
We probably have it on video.
Yeah, I know. I was looking for it. These are going to be a trip hazard.
Do they have to be there forever?
Yeah.
Sticking out of the ground like that?
Yeah.
Huh.
But this will just be the yard, you know?
Yeah. We'll just put a fake rock over it. Now what's that? Power box?
A pump.
Oh, pump.
Yeah, it's a shut-off valve of some kind. Oh, nice.
Oh, I was gonna say. How did that break?
Wait.
How does that break?
You know who it was?
Who?
Dexter.
Oh.
He threw a rock over here. So don't step on this. Hurt yourself.
You're the one standing on it.
You don't do it. So.
You found it.
There it is. There's something. So yeah, basically what happens is all of our waste comes down, gravity into those tanks, separates, pumps it up to here, distributes some to here, and then some all the way up to the top. Because we have drain field in this area too. A little bit of drain field.
Just a little bit. Okay, so Jordan weed whacked. We made hot dogs. I sat by the fire and talked to my dad for an hour and 45 minutes. So, oopsies. Didn't get much done there. We weeded, or I weeded while Jordan finished up that panel. Got the panel replaced. Stopped by a garage sale. Got some coffee. We've had a pretty productive day, all things considered. The plumber stopped by. Now he is going to do some things in the pump house that the plumber recommended. Put in some more insulation because he won't be plumbing inside the walls there. And then we're going to load up our leftover flooring because we got extra flooring. We're going to load up those boxes and return them because we bought about $2,000 worth of flooring more than we needed. So we're going to return that. But yeah, so Jordan's going to work on the pump house and I'm just going to edit in the camper because the mosquitoes are eating me up. Hey, honey.
Who are you talking to?
Myself. Wait, come back. Okay.